Hi, this is Sean from Inglés Nativo, and in this week's video we will be covering pronunciation with the TH sound. We will be practicing the voiced TH and the unvoiced TH. So let's go. Okay, so let's have a look at the unvoiced TH. We have the TH sound that can be at the beginning of the word, the middle of the word, and also at the end of the word. And how to pronounce it will determine how you pronounce the sound of the TH. So, for example, we have the unvoiced TH, which sounds like this. You put your tongue a little bit forward, just outside your mouth, like that, and we blow air between the teeth and the tongue, like this. So let's have a look at some words that we need to pronounce at the beginning, the TH sound at the beginning of the word. And here are some words with this TH sound. So let's look at the first one, which is thank you. Thank you. We also have thought, thought, think, think. We also have the word thumb, thumb. We have thigh, thigh. The number 3 as well, three, three. Not tree. Tree is obviously with T-R-E-E, but we need to pronounce the TH sound. Three, three. And we have Thursday, Thursday. We also have the TH sound in the middle of the word. So here are some words with the TH sound in the middle. Something, something. Birthday, birthday. Athlete, athlete. Healthy, healthy. Sympathy, sympathy. Wealthy, wealthy. And truthful, truthful. Okay? And we also have it at the end of the word as well. So let's have a look at this. TH sound at the end of the word. We have with, tooth, tooth. Yeah? Little one, tooth. Just one teeth, one tooth. And we also have teeth, teeth. That's all of the teeth. Teeth. We have mouth, you know, your mouth, mouth. We also have north, north. Both, both. Month, month. And math, math. Okay? So let's look at some sentences with the TH sound in the sentence. So let's look at the first one. We have, I think so. I think so. What about this one? We have, he thanked me for his birthday card. He thanked me for his birthday card. Birthday card. We also have this one. I have 1,000 things to think about. I have 1,000 things to think about. Okay, we also have number 4. This one here, number 4, the fourth one. Both my mum and dad are celebrating their 30th wedding anniversary. Both my mum and dad are celebrating their 30th wedding anniversary. Okay? So there's some of the sentences using the TH sound but it's unvoiced sentences, this unvoiced TH sound, okay? Okay, so let's now look at voiced TH. Voiced TH. It's a little different to the unvoiced TH. The unvoiced TH is a sound, like just air blowing between the teeth and the tongue. But with the voiced TH, it's a little different. It has like a buzz to it, like a here in your throat. You can feel it vibrating when you do this sound. Okay, it's still blowing air between the tongue and the teeth, but it vibrates as well. Okay, this is a voiced TH sound. Okay, so let's have a look at some words with the TH at the beginning, a voiced TH at the beginning, okay, of the word. So we have the, that, this, they, their, and these. We also have with the TH in the middle of the word. So let's have a look at some of them. We have father, mother, brother, together, weather, leather, and other. Okay, all with the voiced sound, the sound. It's not very pronounced, but it's there. We also have words with the TH sound at the end. Okay, so let's try this voiced TH at the end. We have bathe, breathe, soothe, loathe, clothe, teeth. Okay, so let's put these TH voice words into sentences. Let's have a look at some of the sentences that will have this voiced TH in them. So the first one I've got here is the weather is either too hot or too cold. The weather is either too hot or too cold. We also have, do you see that, mother? Do you see that, mother? Let's have a look at another one. These people are smarter than those people. These people are smarter than those people. What about this one? My father breathes slowly. My father breathes slowly. And what about this one, the last one? We saw that movie together. We saw that movie together. Okay, so I hope you liked this video with the practicing of the TH sound, voiced and unvoiced. Also, if you have any comments or any opinions that you'd like to leave, please leave them in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you again next week. Take care.